Hello, welcome back into the schematic work channel. In this video, we see how we can download and install the FEMM software. The FEMM, the Finite Element Method Magnetic software, it is the software which is used for solving the magnetic electrostatics, heat flows, and current flows problems. So now, first of all, you need to search the FEMM on your browser. Then open this official web page. I try to be at the web page link in the descriptions, and you can directly access that web page. So here you can download it. That is for the Windows. If you have Linux, then you can click on this Linux port and then they guide you how you can download it on a Linux. So right now I click on this download button. This web page is open. Here you need to choose the 64-bit operating system. If you don't know what is operating system, most of the time the latest operating system have the 64-bit, then you click on it. Otherwise you can go into your system's profile and check which is your system, it's 64-bit or 32-bit. I click on this 64-bit. Our downloading is start. It take the time, and after that I show you how we can install this software. So our software FEMM for 64-bit is downloaded. Now we see how we can install it. So right click on it and click on run as administrator here. Now the setup file is open. Click on accept the agreement, and after that click on next. Here you can choose the destination where your software is going to be installed and click on next here. Click on next here and click on install. Untick on it and click on finished. Now our software is installed completely. Now that's the icon on a desktop for the FEMM 4.2. So double click on it, and now our software is running. So here you can create the new file by clicking on file, and after that click on new. Here you can choose the which kind of simulation you are going to do. You are going to do magnetic problems, electrostatic problems, heat flow and current flow. So I click on magnetic problems and click on OK. So now that's our magnetic problem related canvas is open. So here you can use the different, you can design it, and after that you can simulate it. So I hope so you understand it properly. I see you the next time. Please subscribe and share this channel.